Jai Hind children, welcome back in SST module class. I hope you all are doing great. So children, with this module, we are going to start our new chapter, the struggle for independence. So let's start. So children, before the revolt of 1857, which is considered as the first war of Indian independence, there were some educated Indians who had realized that there were a lot of social evils in the society, in the Indian society, like practices like the caste system, killing of female babies, sati, and child marriage were evils that divided our society and kept it backward. So these were the main reason for the sad state of India and its people. The educated Indians realized that removal of these outdated customs and superstitions or social evils were necessary for the progress of India and its people. So this could be done by educating the people. Several social reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Dayanand Saraswati, Savitribai Phule, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. These were some prominent social reformers who fought against these evil practices and started doing some work, some good work for Indian society, and they are called social reformers. So, along with the rise of social reforms, there was a rise of Indian nationalism as well. The revolt of 1857 made the people of India realize the value of freedom. They realize what is the importance of freedom in their life, and they also realize that Britishers are doing injustice with them. The people most affected by this thinking were the educated Indians. They became more and more dissatisfied and unhappy with the British rule. Many of these people and some Englishmen, some Britishers who also wanted to remove outdated customs from Indian society. So some educated Indians and some Englishmen who supported educated Indians, they all came together in the year 1885 and formed the Indian National Congress. So in the year 1885, Indian National Congress was formed. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in Bombay. Now it is called Mumbai. After that, it met in different cities every year. Children, at first, the Indian National Congress did not raise the question of freedom from British rule. They did not want freedom. They just wanted reforms in Indian society. Their main demand was to bring reforms so that Indians could lead a more free and better life under the British. Children, as I told you, there were some Indians or some Indian leaders who did not want Britishers to leave India. They wanted to live a good and better life under the British rule. Their main demand was reforms in our society. Some of them were Dadabhai Nauroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. They were referred as the moderates. So moderates were the people who wanted reforms in our society, right? So children, I hope you all understood. So keep reading the chapter. Goodbye and have a nice day.